Alright guys, we're going to go over a quick review and install this Magnaflow exhaust on my 2005 Duramax diesel. Y'all have seen it in a few other videos I believe before. So I went with the 5-inch. Here is the old exhaust, which as you can see was not in very good shape anymore. And want to relieve itself of my truck, basically. Alright, so this Magnaflow exhaust right here is a 5-inch system. This is a 2005 LLY Duramax. Actually installed really well and sounds really good. It's a straight pipe, no mufflers, 5-inch exhaust. It basically comes in pieces, uses the factory hangers, clamps together. It comes with nice clamps, everything bolted up good, clamped in really well. I'll show you underneath real fast, kind of what it looks like. Alright, so as you can see where it goes up over the axle, clears really well. Your shock, there's your rear end, there's your factory hanger. Uses these really nice clamps here. The exhaust, as you can see, is kind of got relief cuts, so they'll clamp on there really nice. Goes out the tail, all the way out to the tail from the turbo downpipe back, basically. And another clamp, another factory hanger. As you can see, it goes, clears the cross member. Really good there. Just trying to get a good view for y'all. And straight up, there's your next cross member there, where your torsion bars and everything go in. Now mine is a crew cab, 4-wheel drive. Like you can see there, it's got good clearance. The clamps are really nice. And this thing goes all the way up. And this is 5-inch. And all the way up there. And it's just a V-band clamp that holds it onto your downpipe from the turbo there. Just want you to get a good view of it. And then I'll show you where it comes out the back. I think it looks really good. Alright guys, so like I said, this exhaust here is made by Magnaflow, really good company. Bang for the buck, you can't beat it. About 280 bucks from the turbo downpipe back, all the way to the back, using the factory hangers, straight pipe, no mufflers. This is the 5-inch system. The 4-inch is a little bit cheaper. Sounds good. I'll fire it up here for you in a second so you can kind of hear what it sounds like. And I'm pretty pleased with it. I think y'all would be too if something you're interested in. It fits really good. Everything looks good. So we'll fire it up and see what it sounds like. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and fire this up for you. I know how video is. A lot of times you can't really hear it very well, but I'll go ahead and fire it up and we'll see how good you can hear it and see what you think. I think it sounds pretty good. Good flow. Keep the EGTs down. I think it's a really good system for the price. Old and new hotness. So if you're looking for an exhaust at an affordable price, Magnaflow, 5-inch system, and this is the LLY. It's a crew cab, short bed, 6-speed manual, Duramax. Sounds really good, performs well, keeps your EGTs down. Good system for the price. I really think it is. You can do this probably, depending on how where you live, if you live in the Rust Belt or not. You could get this whole thing done in probably about, I don't know, maybe a couple hours of your time in an afternoon. You can go ahead and pull your old one out and slap this one in and be down the road and letting your neighbors hear you on the way down. All right, well, I hope you liked the video and it's helped some of y'all out. And I recommend it. About 280 bucks. Whole new system. And really open up your Duramax. All right, we'll see y'all next time.